Capital assets are often a significant item on an organization's balance sheet and can be difficult to model in Excel. Nonetheless, capital asset planning can be simple. In adaptive planning, the acquisition of new assets can either be modeled as a result of other planned events or entered by budget managers based on their requirements. The rest can happen automatically, meaning calculation of depreciation, change in fixed assets on the balance sheet, and resulting cash flow. Here's an example of an adaptive planning capital sheet, which is entirely configurable. You design the way the sheet looks, you design what the data entry points are, and you design how it drives calculations. You can plan groups of capital expenditures or individual expenditures. The capital sheet can have any number of columns that you define. In this example, label is a text column, asset class has a drop-down menu, and the months are number columns. Annual spend and annual depreciation are calculated values displayed in these columns. You can create whatever columns and underlying formulas you need to capture what's important to you and plan capital expenditures your way. Using the powerful modeling capabilities of adaptive planning, you can drive capital acquisition planning based on other planned events such as new headcount, increased production, company expansion, or replacement of obsolete assets. You can customize your application to plan your capital expenditure drivers and link together different elements of your plan. For example, you can capture the number of new hires from your personnel sheet and use that to drive capital expenditures, such as new hire laptops. In this example, the asset class drop-down choices are associated with a lookup table that correlates each asset type with an appropriate depreciation spread. This is a popular way to set up capital planning, so your end users don't have to think about accounting methodologies. Alternatively, you could create a column where depreciation spread is selected from a drop-down. Either way, the drop-down choice automatically spreads capital expenditure values over time. These lookup tables are powerful modeling tools for companies that want to plan capital expenditures and then spread depreciation over the life of the asset. These depreciation spreads can be easily folded into expense accounts and balance sheet accounts, fixed assets and accumulated depreciation, as well as cash flow formulas. Adaptive planning provides tools that make it easy to integrate different elements of your application for intuitive driver-based planning. If you right-click on a row on the capital sheet, you can see all of your calculations for this asset or group of assets. You can quickly see all the information you need to with minimal clicking and just one screen. This intuitive user interface makes it easy for all business managers to use adaptive planning. Our configurable capital sheets provide the tools you need to easily plan new capital acquisitions and automatically calculate the impact on your P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statement.